Welcome to the day 9 of my 30 days one-stroke painting series. Today, we are going to paint a beautiful rose composition with buds. Let's begin with the materials. I am using flat brush number 10, a 12 by 12 cm canvas board, sap green, yellow green and lemon yellow acrylic colors. Using a flat brush, I spread the colors evenly. Before we begin, if you're new to this series, I recommend watching my previous lessons. You can check day 2 for brush loading basics and also day 7 and day 8 for rose strokes and composition. That will help you understand this painting much better. Using horizontal strokes, I blend the colors smoothly across the canvas. At this stage, I am not washing my brush. Only if needed, you can wash your brush in between, but it is not necessary. I move from sap green to lemon yellow, and then back from lemon yellow to sap green, repeating this motion until I get a soft, even blend. Once the background is nicely blended, I let it dry completely. For the flowers, I'm using crimson and titanium white. Before painting the petals, I first apply a base using crimson. This helps me decide the placement of the roses and makes it easier to build the composition. Then, I start loading the flat brush number 8 with titanium white and crimson. After the base dries, I begin forming the petals using soft, curved strokes. I'm building it layer by layer. This helps in creating depth and gives a more natural look to the roses. Take your time with each flower and keep your strokes smooth and controlled. Once the main roses are done, I start adding buds. The buds are simple and help enhance the overall composition, making it look more natural and complete. Then I paint the leaves using green tones, placing them around the flowers to balance the composition. Using liner brush number 2, I add twigs and stems to connect the elements. Finally, I add tiny white details as highlights. These small strokes bring everything together and give a finished look to the painting. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And our Day 9 rose composition with buds is complete. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in Day 10.